ఓలగ
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 ఔడల
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 ఔరస
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 హర హర
ర
హర
హర
హద
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 హయ
హయ
హయ హయ సెవెంత్ వన్
హయ
హవళ
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 శక
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 శర
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 శకట
శకట
శకట శబర
ఉహురు
కెన్ యూ రీడ్ see something no I can't hear your voice properly
now
yeah what happened
I'm not speaking now.
huh?
Nothing, ma'am.
Okay, read
Water.
no now it's no it's not proper I can't hear properly Same
Ota.
thing. Yeah now it's good
Ota. Audala.
Audala
Audala.
read the second one
Olaga. Uruse. Hiri.
huh
Hiri. Hubu.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Hmm. You're doing something your voice is not proper
I'm not doing anything.
no see now what you're talking is right but when you're reading it's not proper
Ma'am. Sara. Shaka. Sara.
12th one
Shabara.
Shabara
Shabara.
now I will ask you have to answer me okay read the fifth one
Ma'am.
Fifth one
Hara.
you want me to yeah 12th one
Shabara.
Seventh one
Haya.
Third one
Chadala. Audala.
11th one
Shakata.
6th one
Hada.
4th one
Aurasa.
next can you see want me to zoom
Ma'am, it's fine.
okay read
Ota. Hada. Asha. Usha.
Usha
Usha.
Hmm.
Havala,
Hmm.
Ota,
Hmm.
Haya, Shara.
Hmm. Okay. Did you wrote any stories today or yesterday?
No, ma'am, but I'm writing one. It's not done. I have to finish writing it.
Okay. After that, send me. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I will teach you ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರಗಳು. Okay. You know Sajati Vijati ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರಗಳು, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Sajati means?
And the if the Vatakshara is same to the letter, the Vatakshara same.
Vijati?
Vijati, if the Vatakshara is not same, like the for.
Yeah. Can you see the screen now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I will teach some Sajati Vattakshara and Vijati Vattakshara. Okay. You have to repeat what I told. Afterwards, you have to repeat. Okay. I
Yes,
will tell
ma'am.
first and then you repeat. After that, you have to read. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the given words aloud. Akka,
Akka,
Magga,
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 Ucha,
Utsu,
Ucha,
Utsu,
Ucha,
Ucha,
Gadda,
Udda,
Gadda,
Gadda,
Udda,
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 Guggari,
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 Hachada,
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 Giddaru,
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 Gaddala,
Dala,
Gaddala.
Dala.
Can you read now?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, read.
Akka, Magga, Ucha, Gadda, Ucha, Gadda, Udda, Guggari, Hachada, Giddaru, Gaddala.
Read the seventh one.
Hachada,
Fifth one. Right, read. Read, Kavya.
Udda,
First one.
Akka,
Third one.
Ucha,
Sixth one.
Guggari,
Ninth one.
Gaddala.
Second one.
And second one?
Yeah. Read it.
Ma'am, which one?
Second one, Kavya. After Akka.
Magga.
Eighth one.
Giddara.
Giddaru. Rakamburu is there.
Daru.
See, these are all Vattaksharaಗಳು. Sajati or Vijati?
Ma'am, these are all Sajati.
Now you are able to make out now which is Sajati and which one is Vijati?
Yes, ma'am.
No doubts about it, no?
No, ma'am.
Now, here also same. Vattaksharaಗಳು. Vage vavattu, page pavattu, suge savattu, lage lavattu. So, these are all Vijati Vattaksharaಗಳು, right?
What, ma'am?
These are all Vijati Vattaksharaಗಳು, right?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, I want to test you. That's why I asked you like that. Okay, it's Sajati. Okay. Read the given words aloud. Avva. Repeat it. You repeat it couple of
Avva.
times. Okay. Appa.
Appa.
One more time.
Appa.
Bassu.
Bassu. Bassu.
Halla.
Halla. Halla.
Suvali.
Suvali. Suvali.
Suvali. Bellulli.
Bellulli. Bellulli.
Do you know what is Bellulli? Kavya? Do you know what is Bellulli?
No.
Garlic.
Okay.
You like garlic?
Not plain.
Not? What you are telling?
I don't like it plain.
No, you can't eat plain. I'm asking, while your mom use in dishes, you like?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, seventh one, tapassu.
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 Now you only read.
Avva. Appa. Bassu. Halla.
Halla.
Halla. Suvali.
Good.
Bellulli.
See, Bellulli, not Bellulli. Bellulli. There is no dirgha and all, no? Only Bellulli.
Bellulli. Tapassu.
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 Now, Vijati Vattakshara.
Tapassa means meditation.
Yeah, not meditation. That, what to tell?
Stage.
The Rishi Muni and all will sit for 1 year and 6 months like that, no?
Yes.
Same as meditation only. Vijati Vattakshara now.
Yes.
See, these are all Vijati Vattakshara. No?
Yes.
Read the given notes aloud. I will teach you and then afterwards you have to read. Okay? Betta.
Kalpana madam, sorry to disturb you. Can you just underline any word to show which word exactly it is for the student?
Which one?
Just underline any word, circle or underline, so that she knows which word you're talking about.
Okay. Kavya, Anna.
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 Yeah, thank
Ma'am,
you.
like this?
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Tamma.
Tamma.
Tamma. Kavya, repeat it.
Tamma.
Why? What are you doing? Feeling bored? Getting bored?
Ma'am, I'm talking. Can you hear?
Yeah, I'm. Why?
Ma'am, I was
You can't hear
telling.
me.
Ma'am, I was
Huh?
telling it. Ma'am, I
Pardon?
was telling it. I think you could not hear.
Now I can.
Yes, ma'am.
Tamma. You repeat it 2 or 3 times, okay?
Tamma.
Ayya.
Ayya.
2 more times.
Ayya.
Ah,
Ayya.
Bella.
Bella.
Ah,
Bella. Bella.
Kattari.
Kattari.
Hmm.
Kattari.
Little,
Kattari.
little loud. Kannada.
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 ಕನ್ನಡ ಏನು ನೀನೇನ್ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ಯಾ?
What, ma'am, can you repeat?
ನೀನು ಈಗ ಏನು ಕಲಿಯುತ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯಾ?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
ನೀನು ಓಕೆ ಈಗ ಏನು ಕಲಿಯುತ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀಯಾ?
Ma'am, I didn't understand.
You didn't understand? I'm asking what you are learning now. Kavya?
Yes, ma'am, what
That-
were you asking?
No, we have to join again, I think.